Hello everyone. Welcome to the first video of my new series where we will learn assembly together. Here is a list of chapters for this video. Are you ready? Let's get started with the first one. So, assembly language is a low-level programming language that is specific to a particular computer architecture. It is a symbolic representation of machine code instructions that can be executed directly by the computer's CPU. Assembly language is used to write programs that are faster and more efficient than those written in high-level languages. It is also used to write device drivers, operating systems, and other system software. You should learn assembly language because it gives you a better understanding of how computers work at the hardware level. It also helps you write more efficient code and gives you more control over the computer's hardware. An assembler is a type of computer program that interprets software programs written in assembly language into machine language, code and instructions that can be executed by a computer. It enables software and application developers to access, operate and manage a computer's hardware architecture and components. There are many types of assemblers, such as macro assemblers, cross-assemblers, self-assembling assemblers, etc. Some examples of assemblers are NASM, MASM, GAS, FASM, etc. In this series you will learn NASM, also called Net-Wide Assembler. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss when a new video comes out. See you in the next video.